How's it going? In this video I'm going to show you how to stop being added to WhatsApp groups. So you would open up WhatsApp and then in the top right press on the three dots to open up your settings, and then select the privacy sub tab and then scroll down and you want to press on groups. So by default it's automatically set to everyone, so that means anyone that has your number can add you to a WhatsApp group. Although you can change this so that your contacts can only add you to a group, and then once again you can change it so that your contacts accept whoever you choose can also add you to a group. So if you choose this and then press all your contacts, no one will be able to add you to a group. So that's how to stop being added to a WhatsApp group chat. Thank you for watching.